Welcome to Healthy Secrets. Today we're diving into a topic that might surprise you, the hidden dangers of drinking lemon water. You've probably heard all about the amazing health benefits, right? It's touted as a detox drink, a metabolism booster, and some even claim it can help you lose weight. But what if I told you that your refreshing glass of lemon water could actually be doing more harm than good? We're going to uncover the truth behind these claims and expose the potential risks you need to be aware of. I'm not saying you should ditch lemon water entirely, but there are some crucial things you need to know to make sure you're not unknowingly sabotaging your health. Stay tuned to find out the 5 fatal mistakes you could be making with your lemon water and how to enjoy it safely without compromising your well-being. Let's separate fact from fiction and get you on the path to true health. Let's be real. Lemon water does have some potential benefits. It's a good source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports a healthy immune system. Plus, the citric acid in lemons can help stimulate saliva production, which is great for digestion. And yes, staying hydrated is super important, so adding lemon to your water might encourage you to drink more throughout the day, but here's where things get tricky. Many of the claimed benefits of lemon water are either exaggerated or not backed by solid scientific evidence. For example, while some believe lemon water can alkalize the body and fight disease, our bodies are actually really good at regulating their own pH levels. And as for weight loss, well, any potential effect is likely due to the increased water intake, not some magical fat-burning property of lemon. So while lemon water isn't a miracle drink, it's not inherently bad for you either. The key is moderation and knowing how to incorporate it into your diet safely. That means being mindful of how much lemon you're adding to your water and how often you're drinking it. It's also crucial to understand the potential risks, especially if you have certain health conditions. Throughout this video, we'll delve deeper into those risks, but remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the potential downsides, you can make informed choices about your health. Stay tuned as we uncover the hidden dangers of lemon water and how to avoid them. Let's talk about your pearly whites. You know, that bright, confident smile you love? Well, did you know that your daily dose of lemon water could be its worst enemy? I'm talking about tooth enamel erosion, a serious dental issue that often creeps up silently. See, the citric acid in lemons, while great for digestion, is highly acidic. Over time, this acidity can wear away the protective enamel on your teeth, leaving them vulnerable to sensitivity, cavities, and even discoloration. Imagine this. You take a sip of your ice-cold lemon water and suddenly a sharp shooting pain courses through your teeth. That's the dreaded tooth sensitivity, a common side effect of enamel erosion. And it doesn't stop there. As the enamel weakens, your teeth become more susceptible to cavities and decay. Those once pearly whites might start showing signs of yellowing or even transparency near the edges. Not exactly the picture of a healthy smile, right? But don't panic just yet. There are ways to protect your smile while still enjoying the refreshing taste of lemon water. The key is to minimize the contact time between the acidic lemon juice and your teeth. One simple trick is to use a straw when sipping your lemon water. This helps bypass your teeth, directing the liquid straight to the back of your mouth. Another tip is to rinse your mouth with plain water after finishing your lemon water. This helps neutralize the acidity and wash away any lingering citric acid. And remember, moderation is key. Don't overdo it with the lemon. A few slices in a large glass of water are enough to reap the flavor and potential benefits without putting your smile at risk. You might think lemon water is soothing for your stomach, but it can actually spell trouble for your gut health. Its high acidity can be a recipe for disaster, especially if you're prone to digestive issues. Instead, you're met with a burning sensation in your chest, that familiar discomfort of heartburn creeping up your throat. And if you suffer from gastritis, lemon water can further aggravate the situation, leading to nausea and stomach cramps. Lemon water can also disrupt the delicate balance of your gut microbiome, leading to digestive discomfort and bloating. Start by diluting your lemon water to reduce its acidity. Try drinking it with meals instead of on an empty stomach. Your gut will thank you for it. We all know that staying hydrated is crucial for our health. But what if I told you that your refreshing glass of lemon water could actually be messing with your electrolyte balance? Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium are essential minerals that play a vital role in regulating fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. And while lemon water is hydrating, it's important to remember that it doesn't contain significant amounts of electrolytes. In fact, drinking excessive amounts of lemon water can actually flush out electrolytes from your body, especially if you're sweating a lot or engaging in intense physical activity. This electrolyte imbalance can lead to a range of symptoms, including fatigue, muscle weakness, headaches, dizziness, and even confusion. Imagine this. You're feeling sluggish and drained despite drinking plenty of lemon water throughout the day. Your muscles feel weak and you can't seem to shake off that nagging headache. These could be signs of an electrolyte imbalance caused by excessive lemon water consumption. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying you should avoid lemon water altogether. But if you're sweating a lot, exercising intensely, or simply concerned about your electrolyte levels, it's crucial to replenish them from other sources. Consider incorporating electrolyte-rich drinks like coconut water or sports drinks into your routine, especially after strenuous activity. You can also eat foods that are naturally high in electrolytes, such as bananas, avocados, spinach, and yogurt. Remember, balance is key. By being mindful of your electrolyte intake and replenishing them when needed, you can enjoy the refreshing benefits of lemon water without compromising your electrolyte balance. You might think that something as natural as lemon water couldn't possibly interfere with your medications, right? Well, think again. The truth is, lemon water can interact with certain medications, potentially reducing their effectiveness or increasing the risk of side effects. One of the main culprits in lemon water is its high citric acid content. Citric acid can interfere with the way your body absorbs and metabolizes certain medications, leading to unpredictable results. For example, if you're taking antacids for heartburn or acid reflux, drinking lemon water can actually counteract the effects of the medication, making your symptoms worse. Similarly, lemon water can interact with certain antibiotics, blood thinners, and even some types of chemotherapy drugs. Imagine this, you're diligently taking your prescribed medication as directed, but you're not experiencing the desired results. Or worse, you start experiencing unusual side effects that you haven't noticed before. The culprit could be something as seemingly harmless as your daily glass of lemon water. Now, I'm not saying that you need to avoid lemon water entirely if you're taking medication, but it's crucial to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about potential interactions. They can advise you on whether it's safe to consume lemon water with your specific medications and recommend any necessary precautions. Remember, when it comes to your health, it's always better to be safe than sorry. We often associate allergies with common culprits like pollen, dust mites, or certain foods. But did you know that even something as seemingly harmless as lemon could trigger an allergic reaction? While citrus allergies are relatively uncommon, they can occur, and the symptoms can range from mild to severe. Imagine this, you take a sip of your refreshing lemon water, and within minutes, you notice a tingling sensation in your mouth and throat. You might also experience itching, hives, swelling, or even difficulty breathing. These are all potential signs of a citrus allergy, and in some cases, the reaction can be life-threatening. Now, you might be thinking, I've been drinking lemon water for years without any problems. Could I suddenly develop an allergy? While it's less common to develop allergies later in life, it's not impossible. Our immune systems are constantly evolving, and sometimes they can become sensitized to substances that were previously harmless. If you experience any unusual symptoms after consuming lemon water, it's crucial to seek medical attention immediately. Your doctor can perform allergy testing to determine if you have a citrus allergy and advise you on how to manage your condition. Remember, knowledge is power. By being aware of the potential for citrus allergies, you can take steps to protect your health and seek timely medical attention if needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Secrets and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Check out the links in the description for natural and healthy products to improve your quality of life. Share this video with your friends and family, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Stay healthy and see you next time.